Are you meeting your goals? Because today is April 1st, 2026, and I was texting one of my guys, and that was in my spirit to ask him, are you meeting your goals? He goes to the gym from time to time, or whatever the case may be, but it's like he also has to meet goals in his life journey as well. So, are you meeting your goals? I also am learning how to meet my goals as I am on this spiritual healing journey, and I'm making spiritual efforts to manifest and attract the things that are meant for me, because I'm not just a prophet, celebrity, life coach, entertainer, and so much more. I do a lot more in front of, basically, I do a lot more behind the scenes that people don't know about, and that I'm learning to get to know more about myself when it comes to meeting my goals. But whatever the case may be, as Lucy